How inheritance can be dangerous. Let us take an example. Public class X, public void do, public class Y extend X, public void work do. As clear in above code, class Y has very strong coupling with X. If anything changes in superclass X, Y may break dramatically. Suppose in future class X implements a method work with below signature public int work. Change is done in class X, but it will make class Y uncompatible, compilable. So that means parent class is, if it is changed, child class will be changed. So this kind of dependency can go up to any level, and it can be very dangerous. Every time subclass may be keeping noticing what is happening inside superclass. So we need to avoid this strong and unnecessary coupling. Now how composition solve this issue? Let us see by revising same example. Public class X, public void do, public Y, public class Y, X is equal to new X, public void work X do. Here we are creating reference of X class in Y class and invoking method of X class by creating an instance of X class. So we are creating reference of X class in Y class. Now all that strong coupling is gone. Superclass and subclass are highly independent of each other now. Classes can freely make changes which were dangerous in inheritance situation. Second, very good advantage of composition in that it provides method called flexibility. Example: interface R void do, class X implements R void do it in X way, class Y implements R will do it in Y way. Class app R ref, public app R ref, this dot ref, public void ref do. Now public class demo, public void main, this is object creation. In app class, using ref reference, we can invoke methods of class X as well as Y class. This flexibility was never there in inheritance. Good to know. One, composition is easily achieved at runtime while inheritance provides its feature at compile time. So composition can be achieved at runtime and inheritance is at compile time, that means at time of compiling. Composition is also known as has a relation and inheritance is known as is a relation. Composition is known as has a relation and inheritance is known as is a relation. Example: combining inheritance and composition. Class 4 wheeler void start void stop. Interface engine void start and stop. Class Maruti engine implements engine override public void start override public void stop. Class Toyota engine implements engine public void start public void stop. Class car extends four wheeler